All right, everyone, happy Friday. We made it through our first week of distance learning, and I'm sure you guys did fantastic. Sometime during the week, I'm going to try to touch base with you and see how things are going. But right now, I think they're going great. So we'll do our word work for Friday. Remember, copy me. Seat, meet. Not, got. Flag, tag. Do, who. Cry, why. Okay, great job. We're going to do our beginning sound and then the word. Wake. Not. Ran. Say. To. Good job. Okay, we're going to blend our words together. Add, sad. Ate, late. Eep, peep. In, win. Down. Great job. We're going to punch it out. Our final sounds. Not. Dad. Give. Fix. Make sure you're doing this motion too. When. Okay, we're going to isolate the final. Oh, that was the final sound. Next, we're going to do our choppers. Get them ready. Cow, ow. Man, an. Don't forget to repeat after me. Sheep, eep. Corn, orn. Look, ook. Great job, page 2. We're going to add some sounds. This time we're going to start with unk. We're going to add d at the beginning to make dunk. Good job. Start with unk, add f at the beginning to make, you got it, funk. Add unk, add but at the beginning to make bunk. Good job. Start with unk, add j at the beginning to make junk. Good job. Unk, add s at the beginning to make sunk. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take one of our sounds away. This time we're starting with the word pet. Take away p. What do you have left? Et. Good job. Wet. Take away w. What do you have left? Et. Good job. We have the word set. Take away s. What do you have left? Et. We have the word met. Take away What do you have left? Et. Last one, we have the word let. Take away o. What do you have left? Et. Good job. And we should have our nursery rhyme memorized, I'm hoping. I'm going to try it. First, I will let you copy me just for one more practice, and then I want to see if you guys can do it by yourself. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow. The cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy? Who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Okay, go ahead and try it. If you've got it mastered, share it with your mom or dad. I'm sure they'd love to hear it. So I'm so proud of you guys for getting through our first week together. We'll be doing more word work next week. Goodbye. Have a great weekend.